Hello, my name is Pedram Masoudi, consultant in Geostatistics at Geovariances. I would like to take 1 minute to present the course Isatis.neo Scripting. Knowing how to code Python scripts in Isatis.neo has tremendous advantages. By attending this course, you will gain skills in programming and workflow automation. At the end of the course, you will be able to design a workflow and implement in Isatis.neo, use Python packages for resource estimation, perform relevant pre-processing of your data, perform post-processing of your results, and get the information you need. If you are involved in a mineral or petroleum exploration, geotechnical or environmental studies, mapping, 3D modeling, etc. If you are just a statistician, junior or senior, or if you are requested to execute periodically in an in-house workflow, then this course is made for you. Note that I will adapt the content to your level of programming. For beginners, we will mainly emphasize basic concepts, logic of coding and programming. For advanced users, we will go beyond with some real-life exercises like sampling optimization. I propose this course either in English or in French. Feel free to register for the next session. You will learn a lot.